Starting with an important update, the Supreme Court today set aside termination of service of two women judicial officers from Madhya Pradesh after finding it to be punitive, arbitrary, and illegal. In 2023, 6 female judges were simultaneously terminated from their service by the Madhya Pradesh government. This decision was based on the recommendation given by the Administrative Committee of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. Last year in January, the top court took a suo motu cognizance of this and directed the MP High Court to reconsider the decision. A full bench of the High Court then agreed to reinstate 4 of the 6 judicial officers. Therefore, the other 2 judicial officers, namely Sarita Chaudhary and Aditi Kumar Sharma, came before the Supreme Court. A bench of Justices B.V. Nagratna and N.K. Singh heard their plea and reserved its judgment in this matter in December last year. During the hearing, it was found that both lady judicial officers were on probation when they were terminated from service. In Aditi's case, it was argued that her termination was made on the adverse remarks made against her during assessment. But this was communicated to her after termination. Also, the High Court, while considering her termination, failed to accommodate that she suffered from mental and physical health issues after she went through an abortion. As for Ms. Sarita, it was argued that her termination was primarily based on various complaints filed against her, including where she posted something on Facebook. Today, the top court has directed their reinstatement within a period of 15 days in accordance with the seniority they possessed. The court directed the MP government and the MP High Court to declare the probation of 2 officers as on the date their juniors were confirmed. The monetary benefits of the period of termination shall be calculated notionally for the purpose of pensionary benefits. As regards Aditi's case, the court noted that during the period of probation, she got married, got diagnosed with COVID, and suffered a miscarriage. Also, her brother got diagnosed with cancer during this period. The court therefore held that the adverse remarks in the annual confidential report were made without considering these factors. The top court held that the High Court ought to have considered these issues with sensitivity. As regards the other officer, the court noted that no opportunity was given to her to respond to the complaint alleged to have been pending against her. This judgment, authored by Justice Nagratna, also elaborated on the physical and psychological difficulties which women face in judiciary. She has stated that miscarriage has a serious effect on the physical and mental health. After the pronouncement, significantly, Justice Nagratna said that we need to be aware of the anxieties and difficulties which women face. She said that they take tablets, medicines to kill pain on certain days of the month to be able to sit from morning to evening.